Hello, we're just going to do a couple of songs. Then we make a couple of caneuon that we met in They're not really Welsh Republican songs. They're more about going out in the pubs and getting pissed in Merthyr. So they always just put up with it. They are sung mostly in Welsh, so that's a statement in itself. One of the songs are bilingual as well. It's very important to remember. Mae doi iaith gyda yma yn Cymru. So os chi'n neud taflenni a pethau, mae'n dda neud nhw'n Gymraeg hefyd, just i party pawb. This one's called Rymdyn Daw. And it's about the pubs. We're doing it the old-fashioned without microphones, as it should be, is it? I was one of the people at the back earlier talking, now I know who first. Okay, dyma can yn byddu boi y Merthyr yn 70au. Oedd e'n gweithio ar y bin sbwriel yn y dydd, a oedd e'n drag artist gyda nos. So he was this is about the character who lived in Merthyr in the 70s. He was a dustbin
I'll move out the way.
during the day, and he was a drag artist by night. So he's very famous local character.
Oh, she's been...
Johnny Black.